fun stuff. First one was new late last year, came in at the middle of June, but it is a 9-shot all coral Need a Win by Hot Shots. Coming up next is the first in our Vivid Color series, Bananarama. These are 8-shot 200 grams with the same vivid color in each cake. Next is Think Pink. In addition to the colors, these also have very potent breaks. The third one will be Purplicious. Last of the Vivid Color series is True Blue. And these items can be purchased exclusively 24-1 to a case. We also have a mixed case with 6 of each of the colors. True Blue. Moving on to the next page.
They don't get out very much.
Old Standby. Whenever anyone asks for something small with a lot of power, we give them Lion of Judah by Hot Shot. 12-shot floral, pack 16-1. Very nice small 200-gram cake. Next is Going Green. This is a 16-shot, 200-gram, a personal favorite of mine. Falling leaves at the end. That is Going Green. As a reminder, we're about 80 to 90 yards away from these fireworks. Next is the 3-inch single shot assorted 2. Not quite how it's supposed to go. That looks a little better. So the 3-inch assorted tube. Now remember when we tested this past fall, it is indeed a large shell. 3-inch. Now we moved on to Achilles. 9-shot kind of looks like the big 3-inch 9-shot. It's a smaller 200-gram. That was Achilles. Now the next one is Silver Lion. 25-shot, 200 grams, packed 18.
Is it?
Silver Lion. Strobes and a good duration for a 200-gram cake. Now, there are a handful of items that are flagship for loose fireworks, and undoubtedly this next one falls in that category. It's the 7-shot Walker, also known as the Sick Goose. That's my daughter's favorite item.
You like this one?
Okay, next is Mamma Mia by Hot Shot. This is another one that came in late last year. Nice solid rings. Mamma Mia. And the next one, exclusive for our Nebraska customers and anyone who loves the nation's best college football team, is Cornhuskers. Cornhuskers. On to the next page. Earlier I had alluded to that we had purchased some product from Brothers Pyrotechnics this year. This next 200-gram Fat Chance happens to be one of those items. It's a 10-shot, packed 12-1. Undoubtedly one of my favorite effects, the titanium gold palm. That was Fat Chance. And many of you might recognize the face on this next one, a blonde bomber. That is Dan's wife, Shelly, the cook for this evening. She does a lot more for this company. But we redesigned it from a 500-gram to a 200-gram. Blonde bomber. intense firework. Blonde bomb. Wanted is a 10 shot, 200 gram by Hot Shot. This one is packed 8-1. Wanted. Nice height, big brakes. Wanted.
That was
Prairie Storm. So the next item on the list tonight is a 200 shot, 200 gram by Hot Shot. There's in fact 100 tubes, but each tube contains 2 of the very popular item for shows. People have one of these going on the ground and then something bigger up in the sky. Still very nice for those who don't want something. That was Prairie Storm. Peeps Pick is a 35 shot, 200 gram. Peeps Pick.
good pull.
One of the things we really liked about Brothers items was the duration and the unique firing pattern. That was Pete's Pick. Next is Waterfall. Been a popular item for a while now. Very pretty. Again, a great item for those who want anything super loud. Beautiful brocade waterfall. Next up is Black Cat Sky Stingers. 19 shots. I believe it's a hexagon-shaped item. See the jellyfish up there. That was Sky Stingers by Black Cat. Next up is Dakota Double, featuring the man himself, Lou, with a pair of South Dakota ringnecks on the label. Dakota Double. It's one of those deceiving fireworks where it's pretty light, but it's amazing the power of the brakes up in the sky. Moving on to the next page. These are Premium Artillery by Hot Shot. Premium Artillery shell. Some of you have probably heard me say this before, but we approached the factories and brokers in China and asked them for a black box kit that was a step up from a black box, had a lot higher quality shells, and what we came back with was this Premium Artillery shell. Next will be the color-changing artillery.
Oh.
Very unique item. We're excited about this. some of them they go from color to strobe, and the others are two different colors. They must have moved on to a golden one. I apologize. It's a kit of 12, and half of them are color to strobe, and the other half are color to color. I did shoot them over St. Patrick's Day weekend and can assure you that they're very nice. King of Kings. Indeed, the world's highest power, the King of Kings. In addition to the power, they also have very nice colors and good effects. Moving on to the 350 gram category, new for 2015 is Golden Rule, a 12-shot 350 gram by Hot Shot. Strobe Tint Brocades, Golden Rule by Hot Shot. Next is Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, 16 shots, 4-1, 350 grams. Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, our top sellers here at Loose Fireworks. Next is Gunslinger, 25 shots, 350 gram cage. Gunslinger. As I mentioned before, a lot of these Brothers cakes have a very excellent duration. That was Gunslinger. Very nice item. Next is Day of the Lord by Hot Shot. 49 shots and a mini zipper cake. The correct. Color, intensity, and noise. That is the day of the Lord. Another top seller for us is coming up next, which is our Founding Fathers assorted case. Each of these cases is packed 4-1, and each cake has a different effect. We'll start with George Washington. In addition to being the first president, George is also the most popular of the Founding Fathers here at Loose Fireworks. Second is Benjamin Franklin. Unique crackling mine effect, blue and red peony, and then, excuse me. There it is, the green and purple peony. This is Thomas Jefferson. Although George Washington gets all the attention, this one has my favorite effects of the Founding Fathers. That was Thomas Jefferson. And rounding out the Founding Fathers series is John Adams. That was John Adams. Next is an item that was new last year, came in late, part of our patriotic series like the Founding Fathers, is the Right to Bear Arms. 30-shot, 500-gram cake, packed 4-1. This is the Right to Bear Arms. Right to Bear Arms. Great color, good power. Next is Tonka, which in Lakota is buffalo, which means big. And Tonka is. That was Tonka. Next is another cultural item for the Norwegians in the audience tonight. This is Ufta. That was Ufta. On the next page, at the top, is Highfalutin, a 49-shot, 500-gram that is packed 4-1. Highfalutin. Five Blue. Wind Chill is the next item on the list. 18 shot, 500 grams, packed 4/1. Wind Chill. Another one with that titanium gold filler. And when we were ordering, this is one item that the staff was unanimous on. We all saw this and thought it would be a great fit to our line. Beautiful colors. That is Wind Chill. Next is Night Flight. 15 shot, 500 gram, packed 4/1. That was Night Flight. Next is another new item for 2015 by Winda. This is Sunshine State. I know South Dakota used to be the Sunshine State. I always think of Florida. You see a lot of orange in this one. Color and great effects. That was Sunshine State.
Yeah.
God Bless America was redesigned last year from a 33 shot to a 12 shot. Big 2-inch bores. This is God Bless America.
Hold on, Sophia.
Kind of a stepped finale. The last 6 shots go a little bit quicker. That was God Bless America. Another new item for 2015 is Premier Pyro. This is a 9-shot, 500 gram with 2-inch tubes. That was Premier Pyro. Next one is been highly anticipated by our warehouse manager Brad. Rise and Shine. Even from this distance, you can see how bright these comets are.
Yeah.
Very pretty cake. That was Rise and Shine. Saturday Night Special is a 36 shot, 500 gram packed 4/1. The next item is Saturday Night Special. item, for anyone who's been around Lewis Fireworks, knows that this is our bread and butter finale cake. Genetic Giants. In addition to the big breaks, I always enjoy how high that one was. A couple years ago, we had an item we brought in called Ya Big Moose. We weren't very happy with its performance, so we redesigned it and brought it back for 2015. This is a 9-shot, 3-inch cake, Ya Big Moose. Nice improvement. That was Ya Big Moose. Another new one is Western Sky. This 500 grams is packed 4-1 and has 30 shots. Western Sky. Nice deep red That was Western Sky. Bless the Lives, the next item up tonight, is a 9-shot double break, 500-gram cake packed 2-1. Bless Alive. I think we need some double break artillery shells like those. That was Bless the Lives. The second to last item this evening is Mega Bomb. Mega Bomb is another 3-inch 9-shot. Pack 2-1. Mega Bomb. That was Mega Bomb. But now the highly anticipated Big Game is a 168-shot, 500-gram packed 1-1. Big game. Well, I want to thank everyone for coming out tonight. I know some of you traveled a very long way, and I cannot tell you how much it means to see some of you from all the way